My dear children, we are going to discuss about our second lesson, common laboratory apparatus and equipments. We know chemistry is incomplete without experiments. For doing experiments, we meet some of the equipments. In this chapter, we will discuss about equipment and experiments. First, we need to observe the nature and put it into an experiment, and finally draw our own conclusion to verify the fact. Observation, experiment, and conclusion. What is an observation? Every experiment is arises from what we see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. We know sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When a boy throw a ball up, after some time we can see that comes down. Such observations help us to reach scientific conclusion. Do you know how to separate good seeds from bad ones? A farmer puts some seeds into a beaker full of water. He observes that most of the seeds sink and few seeds stay afloat. It is believed that the seeds that remain afloat are bad ones. Those which sink to the bottom are good seeds. So, farmers can separate the good seeds from bad ones through this method. Do you know how we can observe everything? Yes, we can observe everything through some experiments. So, what is experiment? Experiment is performed under controlled condition. Is an activity where we observe a natural or an artificially created phenomenon. An experiment is performed under controlled conditions only, which is an activity where we observe that is a natural or artificially created phenomenon. This is experiment. One more activity we can do. Take 3 glasses A, B, C. Glass A contain hot water, glass B contain lukewarm water, glass C contain cold water. Put one of her finger glass A and another finger in C. After some time, put both finger in glass B. What do she feel? She felt different senses in her 2 finger. Means that hotness or coldness of a substance is a relative term. Hotness or coldness of a substance is a relative term. A chemical laboratory is a place to perform experiments and observe chemical process to analyze results. A chemical laboratory is a place to perform experiments, observe chemical process and to analyze results. Once again say, a chemical laboratory is a place to perform experiments and observe chemical process. After that, after performing the experiments, we observe the chemical changes. After that, we analyze the results. A chemical laboratory is a place to perform experiments, observe chemical process and to analyze results. Do you know what are the facilities should be provided to perform experiments in laboratory? Working table, reagent shelf, exhaust fan, balance room. What are they? Working table, reagent shelf, exhaust fan, balance room. Okay, so what are the facilities should be provided to perform an experiment? Working table, reagent shelf, exhaust fan, balance room. First we need working table. A chemical laboratory has special kind of tables Okay, each table is fitted with a gas tap, a sink, a reagent shelf, and waste paper basket. What are they? Each table is fitted with a gas tap, sink, a reagent shelf, and a waste paper basket. Second one is reagent shelf. All reagents and chemicals should be properly kept on the shelf with labels on every bottle. All reagents and chemicals should be properly kept on the shelf with labels on every bottle. Why? Because there should not be any confusion while using the reagents. For example, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, some of the chemicals are colorless. If we are doing some experiments, where some confusion will be there. So we want to avoid this confusion while using the reagents. So all reagents and chemicals should be properly kept on the shelf with labels on every bottle because there should not be any confusion while using the reagents. Third one is exhaust fan. These fans are fitted near the roof of the walls. Why exhaust fan used in the laboratory? To expel poisonous gases and fumes. To expel poisonous gases and fumes. If you are doing some experiments in the laboratory, so many poisonous gases and fumes are released. So we want to remove the poisonous gases and fumes. Okay, that's why only we will fit the exhaust fan in the laboratory. Then only we can comfortably work for a long time in the laboratory. Okay, so exhaust fans are fitted near the roof of the walls to expel poisonous gases and fumes. Fourth one is balance room. Every laboratory has a separate room for weighing chemicals. In this balance room, number of physical and chemical balances are kept. Okay, this physical and chemical balances helps for weighing chemicals. This room must kept dust-free and smoke-free for accurate measurements. Once again say, balance room is kept dust-free and smoke-free for accurate measurements.